Pinoy Bex.
Welcome to Pinoy Bex. Ang problem natin ngayon ay mula sa ECE Board, November 1998. So the problem states that if 15 people won prizes in the state lottery, assuming that there are no ties. So the question is, how many ways can these 15 people win first, second, third, fourth, and fifth prizes? Okay? So dito pa lang sa ating problem, makikita natin yung sequence. So mayroong sequence yung pagkakasunod-sunod. So therefore, ang gagamitin nating concept dito ay permutation. Gawan muna natin sila ng sequence para mas madali natin siyang maunawaan. So first prize, and we have for the second prize, third prize, fourth prize, and lastly is the fifth prize. Dito sa ating first prize, since 15 sila, so lahat sila mayroong chance na manalo. So 15. So for the second prize, since hindi naman nakalagay dun sa ating problem na pwedeng maulit, so mayroon tayong nanalong isa. So ang may chance na lang ay 14. For the third prize, so 30 na lang natira. So yung dalawa nandito na. And for the fourth prize, so 12 ang may chance. And for the fifth prize, 11. Ayan. So I hope naintindihan natin yung ating representations, kung ano yung nandito, kung ano yung nakalagay dito. So para makapag-proceed na tayo sa next step. So yung next step natin is we will let n is equal to total number of ways. Okay. And again, using the fundamental principle of counting, so n is equal to 15 multiplied 14 multiplied 13 multiplied to 12 and multiplied 11. N is equal to 360,360. Okay, this is your answer. Another method is using the permutation formula. Since ang ating example ay an arrangement with a specific order or sequence. So therefore, n equivalent to n permutation r, so equivalent to yung total number. So we have 15 permutation taken or at a time. So we have 5. So this is all equivalent to 15 factorial over the quantity 15 minus 5 factorial, so equivalent to 15 factorial over 10 factorial, which is equivalent to 15 times 14 times 13 times 12 times 11. So it's equivalent to 360,360. Anyway, you can use your calculator to get the answers. You just input 15, then permutation 5, and the result is 360,360. Let us finalize the answer. There are 360,360 ways for the 15 people win first, second, third, fourth, and fifth prize. And that's it. I hope natutunan nyo kung paano mag-solve itong klaseng problem by unang method natin is yung principle of counting, which is medyo parehas lang naman dun sa ating permutations formula. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for my upcoming videos and examples regarding this topic. So again, thank you. Pinoy Bex.